what happens when you take 3% milk, put it in a bowl, and then you add white coconut, then you add white sugar, and then you pour in white rice, slow motion style. Hear the palate of the rice hit like a tin roof. Drop, drop, satisfying. Then you drop a block of butter, make a mess. And then you clean up the mess and stir in the butter. You take a white bag, fill it with aromatic spice, and you drop it in. But this time you don't make a mess, and you stir it in. And finally, you turn the heat to simmer slowly. After 10 to 15 minutes, you take out a Japanese cooking chopstick that's super long. Also, my sister brought that from Japan for me when she was visiting, to take out the aromatics. And using the same chopsticks from Japan, you stir in your ingredients and notice that the rice has soaked up a lot of the milk, sugar, coconut, and aromatic. It smells really good. So all that's left to do is get your white bowl, and then grab your white spatula, grab your white rice pudding, and then your white spork. Take a spoonful and go for a taste. But then you don't think ahead and actually end up burning your tongue. Regrettable. Oh my God, that hurt. So for the second attempt, you come back, you blow some air on it to cool it down, and then try it again and realize that it's so tasty. Monochromatic for the win. White rice pudding.